Okay, so I just got this COSORI toaster oven, right? It's a pretty expensive item on Amazon. This actually goes for like $200 right now. But this is what's kind of strange. You see how this grill, right? See this grill? It's the shelf that you have to lay the food on and put it in, right? But look at this. It's like it doesn't fit precisely. See how that give? So, this is very unstable. Now, I'm thinking if I got something super hot and I pull this out, it's shaking already, right? So now, let me just show you one more thing. Bam. So this is the plate that it comes with. So now, one, it doesn't really fit. See, it's crooked. It doesn't actually fit inside. All right, so I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's supposed to go by itself. So let's take this shaky grill plate, and again, a lot of give, and let's try and put this in by itself. Doesn't fit. See, I'm trying to slide it in, just so you can see it at level. And look at this. It won't. Put it all the way in, and what happens? Falls to the side. This actually isn't made to fit toaster oven. Doesn't make sense. Okay, let's try a different level. Higher level. Okay, right? It's all straight. Okay, nope, nothing. Doesn't actually hold. So it's like none of these were actually made to fit inside the toaster oven. Huh, there you go. Strange thing for a super expensive toaster oven. Electronic voice phenomenon, or EVP, is a recording captured of a spirit's speech. You can clearly hear Joan say she made a great mistake. That's what makes this so amazing. This was a message from the person who all of the evidence that he is up there is right here. I got it. This stunning message could relate to another working minute. Perhaps the victim of the violent bouncer murdered him. They got into an argument, and she stabbed him and he died. So he could be referring to she made a great mistake of stabbing him. But Mike has another theory. The victim who sought revenge could be the woman.